Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking the scope. Who reads this, why it matters, and the deadline. Once done, collect 3 reliable sources or data points to anchor the AI. This prevents hallucination and speeds review. Next, write 3 starter prompts that tell the model its role, your desired output, and the format, outline, draft, or list of citations. Run all 3 in parallel to compare responses, and make sure to note which prompt gives the clearest structure before moving to the next phase. Now you dig deeper. Ask the AI to extract claims, evidence, and counterpoints from each source. This reveals where sources agree or diverge. Once you have those extracts, request concise summaries, timelines, and citation placeholders so you can verify later. Then iterate. Refine prompts to improve accuracy and ask for alternative phrasings or stronger transitions. After that, synthesize everything into a clear outline with headings, a thesis, evidence blocks, and the gaps you still need to fact-check. Produce a full draft from your outline, instructing the AI to include inline citation placeholders and a 1-paragraph executive summary for readers. Then verify every key fact against the original sources, replace placeholders with exact quotes or page numbers, and run a quick plagiarism check. If things go wrong, contradictions, missing evidence, or hallucinations, pause, ask targeted prompts about the discrepancy, rerun extraction for that section, or narrow the scope until sources align. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.